Good afternoon to all. I'd like to give thanks to the chairman, chief guest, and teacher. I'm Bangladeshi, Dr. Robiul Karim Abbasi. So I like to give thanks in my own language to you all. আজকের জন্য আমি আপনাদেরকে শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি আন্তরিকভাবে। I am very impressed. I was an open surgeon, but I have an attraction to the laparoscopy surgery. When I come here, and I am very much impressed with the two teachers and all the environment. Because if anyone asks to ask me what we do in the next, I like to become the student of this. Yeah.